Guys, Dave with Moneyology here. Hope everyone's having a great day. Today's November 4th, 2019, and this is the Uranium Sector Review. We'll take a look at the URA from various perspectives, as well as Uranium Participation Corp, and see what we can identify in the market. Starting with URA monthly chart, notice that today or this month, we're just in the second trading day of the month. We're already up 4%. Obviously, month is just getting started and anything can happen. However, something significant is taking place right now. I've been posting about this on Twitter over the last 24 hours, and I think this cannot be understated. I think uranium is just about ready to break out, and I've been saying this for a while, but now it actually is taking place, and I'll show you why. Hasn't yet done so here on the monthly, but it's very close here, and you see that PPO is starting to move in the positive trajectory. But you take a look at the weekly version of this chart, and we've already broken above this immediate downtrend here, and we're now above. Now the week's just young; it's still Monday evening, but we've closed today above the 13 and 26 EMAs. Very powerful move so far. 3% up today. We closed the day above this downtrend. This is the first time this happened since February of this year. Now that was a fake breakout, but that was, in my opinion, that was different because there were really no catalysts in this particular time frame. Also, um, basically the sector wasn't beaten down as much as it has been of late, and now we've got momentum, haven't broken this downtrend, as well as close the week so far, or close the day, trading day, so far above the 50 RSI. That's a critical point, and it cannot be understated. Now there's still the downtrend that needs to be broken here, and this uh, horizontal point of resistance around 1150. But guys, once that breaks, this is going to fly. I'm not talking about 1% moves. I'm talking about 25% moves. There are a lot of folks who are not touching the sector until this area breaks to the upside, and it looks to be very, very close. And if the working group just gives any little spark to this flame, I believe they're supposed to release the report on the 14th of November. That happens, goodbye to the uranium bear market. And I've pointed out to premium subscribers that this market is so undervalued right now. In fact, it's probably the most undervalued sector and market I've seen in my 20 plus years investing. And so there are going to be opportunities. Not every company is going to do this well, but there will be some companies in the list that I cover in the premium sector review that will go up over 1,000%. And the key is to be diversified among all of them, or the major ones based on technicals and fundamentals, and you'll do incredibly well in this rally here. Look, uranium doesn't even have to go that far. If URA just simply goes back to the 2016 highs here around 1869, you're going to see a double or triple among many names in the sector. Here's URA daily. Notice the move today. Obviously, we broke out above this bullish flag here, and now we're testing this 1140 zone that we kind of were counting on. And you've got the 200 EMA around 1150, which coincides with this horizontal trend line right here. So still has a lot of work to do, but this move is legit and it looks real. And you see PPO just broke above zero on the daily. So I would love to see some follow through tomorrow, but things look really good on the up and up right now. And here's the hourly. Close the hour at the highs of the day. Very bullish sign. And there's really nothing to see. There's no negative divergences to be seen, and that's a positive sign right now. Okay, so Uranium Participation Corp. To those of you new to this space, this is the best, I think, trackable ticker that tracks the price of uranium. It's not a 1-to-1, but it's pretty close. And there was this breakdown towards the end of the month, and I pointed out something that even as this was breaking down, the sector itself was not breaking down. So this is a false breakdown. Perhaps someone was selling out before the end of the quarter. And sure enough, we bounced off this trend line support, and now we're completely capturing those losses. And if we break out above this downtrend, I think you're going to see this downtrend taken out, and you're going to see a tremendous amount of momentum build real quickly. Here's the weekly chart. Again, symmetrical triangle breakdown, but if this gets recaptured, that would be just a fake breakdown, and it actually would be rather bullish. Here's the monthly chart. Monthly chart already broke out earlier in 2018, and it's been just consolidating here, creating a bullish wedge as it's been backtesting this breakout zone. So a breakout here, I would like to see a move above about 427, say 430, just to round up, and I think this is really going to take off. So I'm watching this closely, but it's got some work to do. All right, so that's it here on the public version. Stay tuned for the premium version of this watch list that's available to the premium subscribers. If you're not already one, you can become so on moneyology.com for just $37 a month. Or if you just are interested in only uranium videos, you can check us out on Patreon, patreon.com/moneyology. And there you can get only the uranium videos for $10 a month, in case $37 a month is too much of a price tag. Anyways, guys, thanks for the support. And please retweet, reshare, and subscribe. I appreciate all your help. Have a great week.